Additional Secretary Mathur Saab, Frank, uh, officials from the ministry, media heads, members and officers and officials of information and families perhaps of information broadcasting that have come from all across India today to play this tournament here. It's indeed a great pleasure. The moment I walked into this great arena, to see such a large gathering of you was very heartening. I believe this badminton tournament has just started not too long ago. And to start such a movement is always very difficult. The pioneers always have a tough time. So my congratulations to the organizers of the event and also to each one of you to make it possible to come here and make this tournament a success. The very fact that all of you are here and playing actually makes me feel comfortable that Information Broadcasting Ministry is working. I notice there is a streak of adventure in all of you. If you've left your place of work from someplace else and come here, it ensures, it reflects that. And anyone who has adventure or a streak of adventure means he has life in him. And if there is life in you, that means there is life in your work. So that's what makes me comfortable that ministry is working. For me, it's very difficult to understand that a match can be friendly. But yet I wish you a friendly tournament and that the bonds that you grow with each other, you use it for your work as well. The reason why I say that it's difficult for me to consider any friendly match is it's friendly till outside. The moment you enter the arena, at least for me, it becomes a war. Most of my friends in the military as well, and very close friends, their objective used to make me laugh in the tournament. And if they were able to make me laugh in the tournament meant, that is if they were in the opposition, meant that they would actually have a better hand on me. And I would not smile at them at all. Now, of course, when you see a playing arena, you can visualize the moves. But unfortunately, when it comes to playing, the mind moves, but the body does not. So times have changed now. I remember there was a cricket tournament very recently with members of parliament and police, and there was another one with members of parliament and the media. And I played a lot of cricket. I played a lot of badminton also. So I went one day prior for practice, and I practiced so much there. And everybody said, "You must have played good cricket." And I said, "No, I didn't want to boast about myself. No, I just played cricket." And I practiced so much that the next day my body was not moving at all. The muscles were all sore. And my wife was still teasing me that you should be worried about your parliamentary performance, and it seems you're more worried about your performance on the sporting arena. But that's how sportsmen are. So, wish you all the best. I'm so happy to see a large number of you. I hope this tournament keeps getting stronger. Wish you good luck for your families as well, wherever they are. And may you always enjoy joyful health and happiness in your life. Thank you so much.